channel.
I have looked at all the manifestos, and I can tell you with all honesty and without any fear of contradiction, with God as my witness, I have not seen a better plan than mine. If there's another one, show me. On the issue of housing, touching on these public servants, there is no better policy than the one of UPC which we have presented.
Now that you are not successfully nominated to contest for presidency, we have some other candidates who are contesting against the incumbent. Do you intend to work with any, or you've been able to endorse any? That is my question, number one. Number two, there's been a lot of contention around vote protection, voters being at the polling station after casting their votes. And what do you make of this? What do you see in the few days coming through? And how is UPC prepared to handle this situation, maybe differently? Thank you.
Let me start with your second question first. They asked me once, what do you do? I said, in a country like Uganda, I've seen people go to an ATM machine, pull out money and count the money before you walk away. If the money is not correct, what do you do? On an ATM machine, there's nothing you can do. But somebody will check first before moving. I don't see in voting that you vote and then you just go and relax. It has never happened. I also tell my candidates this one. Even if we look at our kids, suppose you put them in an examination hall where there's a life and death exam and there's no invigilator. Is there not a high risk that somebody will cheat? So when it comes to an election, you go in knowing that your opponent wants to cheat. So you don't give any breathing space. There's nothing about to, definitely that one wants to cheat. Your first question was about
maybe if you had endorsed some other presidential candidate who you think should go through, now that you never had the chance.
I have expounded on the issue of, for example, the cattle. I have looked at all the manifestos, and I can tell you with all honesty and without any fear of contradiction, with God as my witness, I have not seen a better plan than mine. If there's another one, show me. On the issue of housing, touching on these public servants, there is no better policy than the one of UPC which we have presented. On the issue of farmers, stability, grain prices, regional food security, I don't believe there's another plan better than UPC. Now what do you want me to do in that situation? I cling on to something I don't believe in? I am suffering in this situation, but I have put this on the table. If you have a better plan, please put it there, let it work for the people of Uganda. That's the best way I can answer you.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.